If you are facing the unsupported language issue while creating ads, don't worry. This is a common problem for beginners using Google Ads, and it can be fixed quickly if you follow the right steps. This error usually appears when the language you selected in your campaign does not match the language used in your ad text, keywords, or landing page. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to fix it properly. First, log into your Google Ads account and go to the campaign where you are seeing this issue. Click on the campaign name, then go to Settings. Scroll down until you find the Languages section. Here, you will see the language currently selected for your campaign. Now, this is where most beginners make a mistake. If your ad text is written in English, but your campaign language is set to something else, like Hindi or any regional language, Google may flag it as unsupported. So make sure the language you select matches exactly with your ad content. For example, if your ads are in English, choose English as your campaign language. If you are using multiple languages in your ads, you should consider creating separate campaigns for each language instead of mixing them in one. This helps avoid errors and also improves targeting. Next, check your ad copy carefully. Go to your ad section and open the ad that is showing the error. Make sure there are no mixed language words, unusual characters, or unsupported scripts. Even small things like special symbols or copied text from other sources can trigger this issue. It is always better to type your ad text manually to avoid hidden formatting problems. After that, check your landing page. Google also reviews the language of your website or landing page. If your ad is in English, but your website content is in another language, this mismatch can also cause the error. So ensure both are aligned properly. Another important step is to review your keywords. If your keywords are in a different language than your campaign setting, it can create confusion for the system. Keep everything consistent, including ads, keywords, and landing pages. Once you have made all these changes, save your campaign and wait for Google to review it again. In most cases, the issue gets resolved within a short time. In simple terms, fixing the unsupported language error in Google Ads is all about maintaining consistency between your campaign language, ad text, keywords, and landing page content. Always double-check these elements before publishing your ads to avoid this issue in the future. If this helped you understand and fix the problem, keep following for more beginner-friendly tutorials that make Google Ads simple and easy to use.